this business that we're in is a business of attention and time and focus, right? And what you focus on expands. So focusing on people who are not going to compensate you for the value that you believe you bring, and spending more time on them, or trying to convince them, is going to, in my experience, lead to misery, right? And so I would rather quickly refer it out, or pass on it, or create some really strong boundaries around what I will and won't do in my life and my career, and then go focus my attention elsewhere. In my experience, the people who I spend the most time and energy and value on are the ones who treat me the worst and respect me the least. The ones that I spend not the least amount, but your standard amount of time and energy on, tend to value me the most. And it's just because of who they are inherently as people, right? And it just is. Tough people also tend to refer you to more tough people, right? So where someone who really values and appreciates you and listens to you, right, probably is going to refer you to someone who's going to appreciate that expertise. And so it just depends on how you want to how you want to spend your time. If you don't have a lot of business or a lot of listings or a lot of leads or a lot of people, then your focus is probably going to be on focusing on a difficult client who doesn't want to pay you because you don't have anything else. And that's because of a lack of lead generation, right? It's always easy to fire a listing, because they're difficult, won't listen to you, want to have you come over to the house to, tell you how bad you are. It's always easier to let that person go when you have 9 other listings. When they're your only listing, it's like you're struggling, you don't want to let them go. So I think that it always comes back down to lead generation.